Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video we are opening a full box of the Adrenalyn XL 2025. Okay, on the hunt for the last few cards that we need. Retail now for £1.80 per packet. I believe it's 50 packets in each box. Guaranteed a crystal card in every full display box, and then you get 8 cards per packet. Okay, chasing the last few cards. Can we find today? Let's go. So the box is ready to go. Let's get straight into the first pack. Appreciate this is going to be a longer video today, guys, so if you can watch as much of it as possible, we really do appreciate it. So first up there is your code, first code of the box. Southampton badge, Crystal Palace's breakthrough, Adam Wharton. Then we've got Kulusevski, Hishan, Walker's Peters, Gvardiol, Semedo and Alvarez. So guys, the cards we are chasing are the golden ballers, so it's a big ask, but fingers crossed we can complete it. So we need Anthony Gordon for Newcastle, McAllister for Liverpool, and then Martin Odegaard. There's the Adrenaline Rush, McNeil, lovely precision, James Ward-Prowse, and we've got Johnson for Crystal Palace, Allison, Lakaselis, Larios, Maguire and Gamares. So yes, 3 golden balls we still need. So if we can find those today, that'd be incredible. And then we need a Relentless Gallagher. So if we can find that, that'd be great. And there is the code, guys. Next we have Magic Touch, Drewsbury Hall, a Fire of Leon Bailey. Then we've got Harness, Cody, Botman, Kanate, Quatara, and Nahal Hamada. So let's move these out of the way. Try and get through the packs as quick as I can, guys, so don't take forever. So next we have the code for you. Bournemouth, there's the badge. Crystal Palace again. Oh, Ice. Eze, that is a sick card. Let's do that one there. Then we've got Vieira, Caicedo, Anderson, Williams, Kudos and Højbjerg. And again, guys, you do also get a crystal card, so let's hope there is one in this one. Defensive hero, Robinson. Oh, Chaplin, Relentless, very nice. We've got McGinn, Diaz, Adams, James, Konza and Aribo. Come on. Been opened already quite a few packs. Need those golden ballers. Aston Villa, Diaby, Hypersonic, and we've got Model Pro Norgard. Lovely stadium cards of the West Ham Stadium. Oh, and Emirates Stadium. Flip it around again. We've got Bentacore, Disassi, Hamada, and then Nketiah, is that? Niakate. Butchered his name. Sorry guys, I'll try my best. So there's another code for you guys. Then we've got the Hypersonic Mavadidi, and then we've got Model Pro Dawson, and then we've got Kevin De Bruyne, Champion, Ben White, Dion, Scales, Franca, Murillo, and then flip it. Oh, got my packet. Come on. Must have opened 10 plus packs already. Come on. There's a code. We've got the Wolves, Neto. Flip it again. Then we've got Fernandez, Magic Touch. We've got Hermansen, Elise, Danilo, Wolfenden, Casemiro, Torres, Aston Villa. God, I can't believe we haven't got a Relentless Gallagher yet. I know we've had one, but it's not the one we need. Come on, where's he? He's honestly, we've opened so many packs and we still ain't found it. World Class, Munoz, and then we've got Aina, Goodison Park. Then we've got Mavidi again, Dobbin, Neto, and Martinelli. I was literally listening to TalkSport and I was on about Leicester and the role that Mavidi played and stuff, because obviously, I mean, they're struggling a little bit this time round, but they did alright, didn't they, when they were in the Championship coming up. I remember when Cov played them first game of the season and we lost 2-1 to them, and to be fair, we probably shouldn't have. There's Matoma and Yates. Come on, where you at? Golden ballers, man. Chelsea. Defensive hero. So yeah, it'll be Gallagher, but it's when he's obviously still at Chelsea. So there's 2 of the stadium cards. So we've got Southampton and Brentford. And then we've got Aarons, Harwood Bellis, Antonio and Wissa. Looking out for that Chelsea badge. I can't believe honestly how many packs we've opened we still have not found. Ooh, there's a Chelsea one. Man City, Adrenalyn Rush, Kevin De Bruyne. Really nice card. Still that one there. Yes, there he is. We've got it. Get in there. So that is Relentless completed for our second album, because we have got Gallagher now, which is about time. Took us long enough to find him. There's the City ground. And we've got St Mary's, Southampton. Then we have Leno, Eze, Gallagher again. Munoz, that's typical, isn't it? 2 Gallaghers in the same pack. We just now need the golden ballers. So there is the code. Then we've got Arsenal's Jesus, Liverpool Fire, Diaz. And we've got Luke Shaw, Pedro, Carlos, Vardy, Chimetti, and Douglas Luiz for Aston Villa. Come on, man. Not one single golden baller yet. It's a joke. Especially when if you're spending your hard earned. Oh, I think we've got one. Please, please be one that we need. So we need guys Gordon, McAllister, or Odegaard. 3, 2, 1. Yes, get in there. So that completes our first binder, because that is the last one we needed for that. Hallelujah. It took so long, honestly, trying to find Gordon. We've got so many duplicates of other cards, and we could not get Gordon. Dan Burn, Foden, Sarr, Totti, Winks, and Dunk. Oh, my days, happy days. I'm so pleased with that. Get in there. Right. Tick 2 cards off the list. So now, can we find McAllister and Odegaard, golden ballers? Now, if we can, that is it. Jobs are good. And Solanke Hotshot. Lovely card that is. Aston Villa's Konza. He's highly rated as a defender. Vestergaard, Bowen, Beto, Iwobi, Romero, and Pereira for Fulham. Did you see Bowen's goal for England the other night? Wow. Absolute quality goal. There's your code, guys. By the way, if anyone needs any codes, do let us know, because I have got hundreds of them. We do not use them, that's why I'm showing you them in the video. So do make use of them, and if you do want extra codes, let me know and I can send some out to you. Because I literally just keep them in a separate little tin. So me and I will just stash them away, and then if anyone wants a code or says anything about codes, just send the code to them. Martinelli. Oh, World Class McTominay. Just get that card, guys. Just dropped it. We've got Dominguez, Edmondson. Then we have Silva, McGallas, so that's Gabriel, and then Pereira for Leicester. And Pereira is another card a few weeks now I've been trying to get, and we managed to get him the other day in one of our latest videos. Oh, we've got another golden baller, guys. Get in there, come on. So we need Odegaard or McAllister. Please be one of them. 3, 2, 1. Yes, come on, what a day. That is 2 now, guys. We've got 2. 1, 2, come on. Now, only card left we need to complete 2 binders is Odegaard, golden baller. Come on, is he in here? Really hope so. Oh, typical, look. Now we found 2 Gallaghers. We only needed 1. Been trying to find him everywhere. Havertz, McTominay, Fernandez, Badashai, is that Luongo, Calvin Lewin. We have been looking everywhere for Gallagher. In the same box we find 2. So guys, 2 golden ballers that we need are completed. Can we find a third and final golden baller? And that would be 2 binders that we've done. 2 full binders. And I dread to think how many packs we've actually opened to achieve that. Areola, Shard, Saka, Markel, is it? Wilson and Pinnock. I think that's quite an achievement doing 2 full binders. Although I do find it a bit baffling because when you add the new transfers, is it star signing, sorry, to the binder, with the limited editions that I already have, they only just fit. I've got no room now to add any more cards. Oh, Old Trafford. So any further limited editions I pull, I have no idea where I'm going to store them because they don't all fit in the binder, which is a bit frustrating. So I might have to get a separate binder just for all the limited edition cards, history maker cards and stuff like that. Keep them separate maybe, but I never get that with these collections. Well, they don't give you a big enough binder with extra space considering the amount of cards you can get. Like if you add in all the limited editions, the standard ones alone, and then you add in the signature variants that you can get, the real autograph cards, history maker cards. If you add all those in as well, plus the actual main collection, it don't fit. Star signings box, you add that in. That's not exactly small. I think that's 48 cards alone. So if you want to see that video opening, by the way, if you're still here, people, I'll leave a link for that one if you want to go check out that one. The cards look sick, like you get all the transfers, all the players and their new teams and new kits. Do a little mini lineup as well while we're here. Look, Anthony Gordon on the left, McAllister, De Bruyne, Gallagher, Garnacho, and Eze on the right. There's a code. So the Ipswich badge. Then we've got Gomez for Wolves, midfield master, Adingra, Mavropanos, Bailey, Gay, and then we've got Sells and Anthony Gordon again. So let's see, guys, if we can form our own little starting 11 from the cards that we pull. So there's a code, and Bournemouth, and we've got Fernandez, Leicester King Power Stadium, Banana. Then we have Armstrong, March, Gibbs White and Davis. I'll see if I can do it maybe from all the insert cards that we get. So there's a code. Ooh, Magic Touch, James Maddison. And then we've got Super Stopper, Vaccaro. Then we have March, Sanangra, Garner, Mason Mount, Cucurella and Bree. Nice big stack of cards there to the side. Most of them we don't actually need now. So again, guys, we have got hundreds of spare cards, so if you need them, get in touch with us on our Instagram page. And then, is that a defensive one? Midfielder. Doyle, and then we can send some out to you if you we have any you need. Rudislev and Saliba. Still got a few packs left. So there is the code. Oh, defensive hero. And we've got Suchek on the high flyer. Then we've got Diop, Coleman, Anthony, Bassi, Martin and Rice. Might have to use a few different players or play a different system. So I've got code, then we've got Konza, keep Konza. They've got Johnson, Brennan Johnson. Oh, we've got another one, like Gahey, Powerhouse, definitely keeping him. Ipswich, Portman Road. Flip it again. Julio, McAllister, Matassar and Kuna. So remember guys, we have also still got a crystal card in here somewhere, hopefully. Oh, Ivan Toney, hot shot. Okay, we'll keep him there. Might have to swap him out for someone. Areola. Then we've got Morsi, Keane, Barnes, Mannings, Grealish and Unel. So at the minute guys, we've got Ivan Toney up front, Eze and Gordon on the wings. Then midfield of McAllister, Gallagher, and we've got the legend that is KDB. And then we've got Konza at the back and Mark Gahey with Vicario in goals. So 2 more defenders we need. The powerhouse card, Palmyra, Kamara, Sterling, Richards and Daka. Come on, let's get through these last packs. There's a code. We've got now Armstrong for Southampton. And we've got Gomez, midfielder, midfield master. Then we've got Tottenham's ground, Molyneux. And then we have Van Dijk, Decore, Robinson and Flecken. Let's move those to the side. Well guys, I think it's about 17 packs we have left. So if you're still here, I really do appreciate it. We're still chasing one golden baller. So hopefully we can find him. That's got to go in there, hasn't it? Got to keep Haaland. Then we've got Craig Dawson, defender. Keep Dawson in as well. Mikalenko, Taylor, Willock, Nunes, Solanke and Van der Ven. So right at the end guys, I'll show you the team that I've created using these cards. There's a code. Liverpool's Jota, good player. World class, but unfortunately he doesn't get in. And then we've got Lindelof, Gomez, Trent, Jackson, Suter and Shark. So you guys, you get the unedited versions with me. No, everything that's in here is like legit. We just do our best. So Veltman, Jimenez, Benderak, Elanga, Neto and Bazuna. And then we have another code, flip it for you. Arsenal, oh, Gabriel, he's definitely got to go in. Oh, Eze on the ice again, Steele, Johnson, is that Lindelof? Oh no, Martinez, Wilson, Edison and Kluivert. Flip it round, nice code for you. Oh, Bernardo Silva. Yeah, he's definitely got to go in as well. I have to take someone else out of the team. We've got Kanji, Kilman, Suchek, Broadhead, Chilwell and Livramento. There's a code guys. Crystal Palace badge seems to be popular. Fernandez. Flip it again. Alvarez, what a player. Lemina, Chowdhury, Justin, is it Lerma? And Awoni, oh, well, I can't even say his name. Awoni? Appreciate it, guys, if you're still here watching the video. I know it's a long one. Haaland on the Phenom, that's a double. Adrenalyn Rush of Burgess, Stamford Bridge, Chelsea. And we've got Clark, Van Heck, Paulina, Hinshelwood, Lewis Potter. Then we've got a code for you guys. Brentford's Bueno. And then Vicario again. We've also got Porro, Walton, Chimetti, Louise and Elliott. So guys, not many left now. And then we have a code for you. Another Man City player, the badge. Then we've got Souček again, high flyer. Then we've got Longstaff, Aki, Dawson, Mara, Tavernier, Doku and Chaplin. Remember guys, we still need that golden baller. Still chasing it. Need Odegaard. Is he in here today? Model Pro. Hickey, Gross, Fairs, Trippier. It's not looking good because we only have a few packs left. But we still have a crystal card, so you never know. Model Pro, Dunk. Oh, same player again. Alhamada, World Class, Dominguez, Edmondson, Fernandez, Rodrigo, Wood, Sarabia, and Son. Yeah, the crystal cards, you're guaranteed one in every pack, guys, and they are really, really nice, to be fair. You get the different crystal badges. And here it is Everton, what we actually need. So that is a total of 3 of those we have now. So we've got Man United, Everton. I'm trying to think now which is the other team. I think it's Bournemouth. Alisson, Nunes. So yeah, got 3 half decent ones. I'd have loved it if we got Man City's. But yeah, they're only available, guys, in the full display box. Oh, dropped it. So guys, there's the code. Can we get some luck, guys? Can we find the last golden ball that we need? Ben White, Wood, Sarabia, and Son again. Come on, please be in here. There's the code, guys. Fulham's badge. And then we've got a Dingra on the fire card. And we've got Buonati, Draguson, Burgess, Zabani, Madison, Trossard, and Gusto. Come on. So guys, last 3 packets. One golden baller. Come on. So where are you at, man? We need Odegaard. We find Odegaard, we've completed 2 binders of cards. Gallagher, Munoz, and Vardy. Yes, we still need limited editions and any other cards like that, but the main base of the collection would have been completed. There's the code. Aston Villa's Konza, West Ham Areola, Eze again on the ice, Jensen, Ward-Prowse, Mateta, Chaplin, Fairs, and Trippier. Come on, last pack is it now? Last pack magic then, guys. Martin Odegaard. Are you in here? The final one we need. Golden baller, come on. No, what the hell? What the hell? We've got 2 crystal cards, no way. It's meant to be 1 per box, we've got 2. Oh, happy days, I'll take that. As you can, I'm sure you can only get these in the full display boxes, so I'll take that all day long. Just means 1 less box we have to buy to complete the whole collection. I mean, to be honest, I think you should get 2 or 3 of those in each box, because to buy like full boxes is not cheap. Just to get these, if you are honestly trying to complete every single card for the collection, I mean, we're not trying to do that. We're trying to complete the majority of the collection, I suppose. Right, guys, we're still chasing one card. So one binder is complete of the base collection. We have this one for the second album. We obviously need these anyway, but we still need Martin Odegaard, and then that'll be 2 binders full, and then it's just adding the additional cards. So guys, let me just clear this mess. So guys, that was a full display box, and that is the team we've created from it. So we've got Vicario in goals, Konza, Mark Gahey, Gabriel, Dawson. Then we've got KDB, Gallagher, Silva, Gordon, Eze and Haaland on the Phenom up front. So guys, if you enjoyed that one, remember to like the video. I know it's a long one. Appreciate if you've watched to the end or halfway through. And obviously we have got our 2 crystal cards there, which is incredible. I did not expect that. It was a nice surprise. Still chasing Odegaard and the Golden Ballers, and that completes then 2 full albums. So fingers crossed, guys, if we open a few more packs, which is crazy to say because we've opened loads, we will hopefully find that one card. But yeah, if you need any swaps, guys, as you can see, we've got this, but plus another massive box at home full of cards. So let us know, DM us on Instagram. And as always, guys, subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. See you later.